So welcome everyone. In this session, we'll discuss about what was the cutoff of SEBI, specifically the legal stream, which we are actually interested in because of the notification that actually caters to the legal stream only. Okay, and we'll see the cutoff of the last year, and we'll also see the cutoff of 2021 or the 2020 paper SEBI examination that actually came for every stream. But we will focus on the legal stream, what was the actual cutoff, so that we can cater or we can actually guide our preparation accordingly. So, as we all know, because 40% is the minimum cutoff for phase 1, so this is not any point for discussion. We'll only talk about merit cutoff after phase 2. Okay, so this is an automatic cutoff for phase 1 and merit cutoff for phase 2 we'll discuss in this session. Okay, so let's see, after that 40% cutoff, how many candidates were shortlisted for phase 2 in legal stream specifically. Around 1500 people got selected for phase 2. Okay, so around 1500 people gave phase 2, and afterwards the minimum cutoff that these people got, or the cutoff for phase 2, was 64 for SC category, 67.67 for general category, and the rest 66 for EWS, 63 for OBC, that is non-creamy layer, and 52 for ST. And as we all know, 50% cutoff is minimum for the phase 2. That is already explained in the notification portion. Okay, so as you can see, obviously the cutoff is on the higher end, and at least minimum for general category, at least we should strive for scoring 70% marks in order to smoothly clear the phase 2 examination. Okay, because as you can see from here, in the final list for legal stream, general category, the last selected candidate scored 69.08, and that is after incorporating 15% marks of interview, because you all know that phase 2 the weightage is 85%, interview weightage is 15%. So phase 2 is the game changer. Prepare phase 2 in such a manner that interview also negates if there is any mishap over there. Okay, so see the cutoff. For general it was 69, OBC non-creamy layer 63.82, EWS 63, 65 for SC ironically, and ST it was 58. Okay, and now let's see what was the case in 2020. How many candidates appeared over there? So around 1150 people gave the exam from legal stream. Okay, and what was the cutoff for phase 2 over there? See, 52 for SC category, 68.33 for general category. As you can see, in 2020 the cutoff was 1 mark higher than the cutoff in 2022. So, but the range is almost similar, that is 70 marks. And since phase 2 is actually deciding the fate of the most candidates in this examination, people are actually preparing well for this exam. Okay, let's move on to what was the final cutoff over there. As you can see in legal stream, minimum marks secured by the last selected candidate. In general category C, it also crossed 70% marks. So 71.07 was the marks secured by the last candidate. So this tells you that you should prepare this whole examination from the perspective of 75% in order to secure 75% so that we can peacefully give interview also. Okay, so the competition is actually tough, but these things are also achievable. That means people are getting this score. OBC is 59.8, EW is 61, SC 58 and ST 43 pointers. Okay, so this is the general criteria regarding cutoff. So prepare your examination based on this cutoff. So in order to get at least 75%, so that you can be assured of your selection. All the best to you. And if you have any confusion, please let us know in the comment box.